underneath clear blue skies, glowing in warm sunshine, listening to the songs of birds as the cool breeze kisses your skin. With serene colors all around and fragrance of wildflowers, nature had never been so grandeur. Moments of beauty in slow motion. Time has finally come to a standstill for you at Flora Royale. कहते हैं मनुष्य जीवन बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलता है, क्योंकि ये जीवन ही कुदरत की एक ऐसी नेमत है जिसमें आप जिंदगी के भरपूर मजे ले सकते हैं। और इसी जीवन को और खूबसूरत और आनंदित बनाने के लिए हम लाए हैं फ्लोरा रॉयल, आपका अपना वीकेंड रिजॉर्ट। You only live once, so why not live life king size and have your own imperial resort? Flora Royale has been built like a farmland, which in itself is an absolute gift of Mother Nature. One can breathe the true essence of countryside lifestyle. Overwhelmed with the tremendous success of Flora Farms and Flora Elegant, DPL Builders introduce Flora Royale, the limited edition premium forms. शहर के शोरगुल से दूर फ्लोरा रॉयल बन सकता है आपका वीकेंड होम, जहां आप प्रकृति की गोद में एक ऐसे आनंद का अनुभव कर सकते हैं जो आपको तरोताजा कर देगा। फ्लोरा रॉयल इज अ कंप्लीट रिट्रीट फॉर योर सेंसेस with most modern amenities, a repository of premium facilities in sync with untouched nature enchantments. Flora Royale देता है आपको एक lifetime experience. Here you can form your own vegetables, capture the beauty of unchanged environs and enjoy complete peace of mind, far from the maddening crowd of the city. A home away from home, yet within city limits. Flora Royale is situated at the Greater Noida Express Highway, almost in the vicinity of national capital New Delhi at the Yamuna Belt. The entire project layout is spread out over 1,008 square yards, surrounded by lush green fields. All the farmlands enjoy the spectacular nature's view. The farmlands have been carefully drawn out, giving the best views in the lap of nature. At the time of selling, we give a leveled plot. यहाँ आप अपने इच्छा अनुसार अपना मनपसंद प्लॉट चुन सकते हैं और उसे अपने ख्वाबों का आकार दे सकते हैं। चाहे तो आप यहाँ बैम्बू कॉटेज बनवाएं या फिर अपना वेजिटेबल और फ्रूट गार्डन, या फिर इसे एक लॉन के तौर पर इस्तेमाल करें। मर्जी है आपकी, क्योंकि घर है आपका। This is your chance to create and build your dream cottage by choosing the desired land, area, configuration, orientation, design and layout. The Flora Royale project falls within the jurisdiction of UP government in the vicinity of Nagla, Behrampur, Tehsil Dadri, District Gautam Budh Nagar.
The new project as a farmhouse which neither could be created by any bird. A farmhouse measuring only 1,008 square yards. It is nowhere in the Delhi. At the places to the Jamna River, we have got all NOCs, and it has now been approved by the Revenue Department too as a farmhouse. The NOCs got from the River Department, irrigation, and from the Noida, which satisfied the people of the adjoining area to purchase this land. Actually, it is a farmland. The registry was originally as a farmhouses. Now it has been conveyed to the public, and it has been recognized as a farmhouse, in which only a 5% construction can be done as per bylaws. And the feature we are giving are fully furnished. That is a tube well, fencing, and flooring.
फ्लोरा रॉयल आपकी सभी इच्छाओं को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाए गए हैं। खूबसूरत फॉर्मलैंड्स के साथ साथ आप यहाँ अन्य कई सुविधाओं का भी आनंद प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, जैसे क्लब, स्विमिंग पूल, एंड क्रिकेट ग्राउंड। आप यहाँ अपना किचन गार्डन भी बना सकते हैं। You can grow your own organic vegetables and fruits and capture the beauty of nature. Whilst enjoy tranquility, novelty, and a complete peace of mind. Fully enveloped in a green environment, it will take you on a tour to a different world. Everything here spells a traditional ambience and an extraordinary experience. Feel the difference by immersing your soul and mind in the scenic beauty where the birds like cuckoo, ducks, peacocks welcome you with their soothing notes. And the greenery make it a thorough picturesque landscape which is inviting you with magical stroke that you fall prey to adopt a lifestyle for spending your precious leisurely moments by undoubtedly choosing Flora Royale to be your weekend home.
We wish the public should enjoy and always welcome their decisions.